श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां यज्ञोपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां यज्ञोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणनबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देहवृतां शरण्यं हयग्रीवहं प्रपद्ये शन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीयाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसाममृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पारिषदेशनाचार्यप्रकोष्ठे समागणेषु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्किकेन्द्रान् स्वाग्रसन्मादरमभिधेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करकरकुजे पुस्तकं खङ्गदग्धे बिभ्रद्भिन्नः पटिगुरुतुले पुण्डरीकेन षण्णः अम्लानश्रीरमृतुलेलङ्कृविप्लावयन्नः आविर्भूया जनगमिमा मानसे वागधीशः. So lesson 5, Apadana Karakam. We have to do Apadana Karakam. What is Apadana Karakam? Okay. What is Apadana Karakam? Apadana Karakam, ablative case in English. So it is the following proportions are used in this. From, then. Okay. Two prepositions are used in this. Whereas Sanskrit words are, there are few Sanskrit words in there which are used with Panchami Vibhakti. Okay? Prabhriti. Okay? Prabhriti. Prabhriti. Bhita. Okay? Then Tras Dhatu. Trasyati. For example, Trasyati. It can be Trasyati, Trasyataha, Trasyanti. Okay. Even we can use Vina. That is also there. Vina also can be used. Okay. Prabhriti. What is the meaning of Prabhriti? Prabhriti means onward. Okay, onward, from here, that's the meaning. See, we say, no, Chennai to Kanyakumari is Tamil Nadu. So, Chennai Prabhriti, Kanyakumari Paryantam. Okay, Chennai Prabhriti, from Chennai. Prabhriti means onwards. Okay. Bhita, trust. The meaning is fear, scared, okay, afraid. Scared, okay, afraid. Vina means without. You know that Vina means without. What is without? Without we used with Dvitiya, Vina. We used with Tritiya, we can use with Panchami also. So these are the few words used with Panchami Vibhakti. Let me read the sentences. Okay. Chhatraha grihat vidyalayam gachanti. What's the proportion? From, mostly from. Then is used for comparison. Then is used for comparison. Sa udyana agacchati. निर्झरः पर्वता प्रवहति आकाशात् जलं वर्षति वृक्षात् फलानि पतन्ति वृक्षात् पर्णानि पतन्ति पुस्तकं हस्तात् पतति कृषकः ग्रामात् नगरम् आगच्छति वानरः वृक्षात् नीचैः कूर्दति बालिकाः विद्यालयात् गृहं गच्छन्ति. Okay. Now meaning. We take this. Now meaning. छात्राः गृहात् विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. छात्राः students. What do? Gachanti, go. They go. Where they go? To Vidyalayam, to school. They go to school. Gೃಹಾತ್, at says from home. Students go to school from home. Sa Udyanat agachati. Sa means she. Agachati comes. She comes Udyanat from the garden. She comes from the garden. Nirjaraha parvatat pravahati. Nirjaraha is waterfall. Pravahati flows. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not able to see. Flows parvatat from the mountain. They are able to see this. If we don't see, I'll take this. Yeah, hope you are able to see this. Because I'll keep it here. Okay. Flows from now. Next. So Nirjara waterfall, Pravahati flows, Parvata from the mountain. Okay, from the mountain. Akashat jalam varshati. Akashat jalam varshati. Jalam water. Akashat from the sky. Varshati showers. After a noun we have to go to the verb. Water showers. Akashat from the sky. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Fruits patanti fall. Vrikshat from the tree. Okay, fruits fall from the tree. Vrikshat parnani patanti. Leaves fall from the tree. Leaves fall from the tree. Pustakam hastat patati. Pustakam, a book. A book, patati, falls. Hastat, from hand. A book falls from hand. Okay, I have a book in my hand. It falls down. So from where it falls? From hand. Next. Krishakaha gramat nagaram agachati. Agachati, gachati. Gachati means goes. Agachati means comes. So Krishakaha, a farmer. Agachati comes. Where he comes? Nagaram, to the city. Grama says, says from. Okay? From grama, from a village. A farmer comes to the city from a village. Okay. Then वानरः वृक्षात् नीचैः कूर्दति. वानरः वृक्षात् नीचैः कूर्दति. A monkey kurdati, jumps down. नीचैः means down. Jumps down. Where it jumps? Down. From where? From the tree. Vriksha, from the tree. Or means from. Okay. Next. बालिकाः विद्यालयात् गृहं गच्छन्ति. बालिकाः, girls. Okay, गच्छन्ति, go. गृहं, home. Go home. Sorry. Vidyalaya, from school. Okay. Let me read these sentences once again. Chhatraः गृहात् विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. Students go to school. You all have to note it down. Okay, it's not that simply I will show on the screen and you will read. You have work. Okay, you have to copy them. You have to copy the meaning. Work is not for me. Okay, I know the meaning. You are learners. So you will, whoever is asked to learn, okay, they should have copied. Remember. Sa udyanaat agacchati. She comes from the garden. Nirjharaha parvatat pravahati. Nirjharaha, waterfall, pravahati, flows, parvata, from the mountain. Akashat jalam varshati. Water showers from the sky. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Fruits fall from the tree. Vrikshat parnani patanti. Leaves fall from the tree. Both two things fall. One is fruits, phalani. Another one is leaves, parna. Parnam, parne, parnani. Parnashala. You say Parnashala, no? Parnashala solrama. Raman Parnashalayil Tanginar. What is Parnashala? Parnashala is house made of leaves. Okay, the roof is made of leaves. Pustakam hastat patati. Pustakam, a book. Patati falls, hastat, from the hand. Krishakaha gramat nagaram agacchati. Krishakaha, a farmer, comes to the city. Okay, from a village. A farmer goes to the city from a village. Vanaraha vrikshat nichaihi kurdati. A monkey jumps down from the tree. A monkey jumps down from the tree. Next, balikaha vidyalayat griham gachanti. Balikaha, girls, gachanti, go, griham, home, vidyalayat, from school. Okay. Swami, Anji, where padikka?
Again. Chhatraः गृहात् विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. Students go to school from home. Sa uganaat agacchati. She comes from the garden. Nijharah parvatat pravahati. Waterfall flows from the mountain. Akashat jalam varshati. Water showers from the sky. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Fruits fall from the tree. Vrikshat panarni patanti. Leaves fall from the tree. Pustakam hastat patati. A book falls from hand.
It is patati, not patati. Hello?
Okay, dear. Patati. A book falls from hand. Krishkaha gramat nagaram agacchati. A farmer comes to the city from a village. Vanaraha vrikshat nichairaha krudati. A monkey jumps down from the tree. Balikaha vidyalayat griham gacchanti. Girls go home from school. At the end, Danyasmi at the end.
Dhanyas. Very good. Nice. Very good.
Chatraha grihat vidyalayam gacchati. Students go to school from home. Sa udyanam agacchati. She comes from the garden. Nirjaraha parvatat pravahati. Waterfall flows from the mountain. Akasat jalam varshati. Water showers from the sky. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Fruits fall from the tree. Vrikshat parnani patanti. Leaves fall from the tree. Pustakam hastat patati. A book falls from hand. Krishkaha gamat nagaram agacchati. A farmer comes to the city from a village. Vanaraha vikshat nichaihi kurdhati. A monkey jumps down from the tree. Balikaha vidyalayat griham gaccati. Girls go home from the school.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Bharatam Himalayat Prabhriti Asti. Prabhriti. I told you in the beginning, there are some words. Special words for Panchami Vibhakti. Adya Prabhriti. Prabhriti. Adya Prabhriti Aha Sanskritam Patishyami. Aham Udyanad Bahihi Na Kridami. Aham Udyanad Bahihi Na Kridami. Vayamapi Grihad Bahihi Na Gacchamaha. Vayamapi Grihad Bahihi Na Gacchamaha. Manushyaha Mrigebhyaha Trasyanti. I told you now. Hiranaha Vyaghra Trasyati. Hiranaha Vyaghra Trasyati. Shashakaha Bilad Bahihi. Again Bahihi. Okay. Shashakaha Bilad Bahihi Agacchati. Shashakaha Vrikad Bhitaha Dhara. Bhita, scared, fear, afraid. Okay. Now, let me tell the meaning of these sentences. Okay. Bharatam Himalayat Prabhriti. Prabhriti means onwards. Okay. Himalayat Prabhriti Asti. Okay. Bharat is from or onwards. Or from, we can say, from the Himalayas. Or Himalayas onwards. Bharatam is from the Himalayas. Means what? It starts from the Himalayas. Adya Prabhriti. Adya Prabhriti. Adya means today. Prabhriti onwards. Today onward. Patishyami. I will read or learn. Okay? Samskrita. I will read Sanskrit. I will learn Sanskrit, not read. Pathami. Pat means read, learn also. Both are. Okay? Today onwards, I will read Sanskritam. Aham Udyanad Bahihi Na Kridami. Na Kridami. Okay? Aham, I. Na Kridami. Don't play. Don't play. I don't play. Udyanad Bahihi. Bahihi, outside. Bahi, Udyana, outside the garden. Not outside from the garden. Okay, it is outside the garden. Because this Bahihi will come only with Panchami Vibhakti. So what happened? Udyana becomes Panchami. Okay, obviously. Because next is Bahi. Bahihi forces Udyana to be in Panchami Vibhakti. Then Vayamapi, see here. Vayamapi, we also na gacchamaha, don't go, na gacchamaha, don't go, bahihi, outside, grihar, outside home, outside the house, or residence, or home, okay, outside the home. We also don't go outside the home, okay. Next, Manushyaha Mrigebhyaha Trasyanti. Tras means scared. Okay. Afraid. People afraid of Mrigebhyaha. See here. Mrigebhyaha. You cannot say from the animals. Afraid of animals. That's all. Because this tras dhatu, no, whatever, irrespective of any vibhakti, this Mrigebhyaha is used in Panchami Vibhakti, okay, used in Panchami Vibhakti because of tras dhatu, because of tras, okay, irrespective of any vibhakti here, because of Bahihi, Udyanat has come, Panchami Vibhakti, okay, same way, Prabhriti, okay, here also, because of Prabhriti, this is Panchami Vibhakti. So we should know that the power of these words will change the word. Okay, Samskrita word. Okay. Now, Hiranaha Vyagrat Prastyati. Hiranaha, the deer. The deer is afraid of tiger. Okay, afraid of tiger, not scared the tiger. People are afraid of animals. The deer is afraid of tiger. Then Shashakaha Bilad Bahihi Agachati. Shashaha, a rabbit. A rabbit Agachati comes. Bilad Bahi, outside the hole. Bilam Nanda. Bilam means normally they say cave. Even the small hole also you can say. Okay, hollow, hole, cave, all bilam. Okay, that's a aho bilam. No, we say no aho bilam. What is aho bilam? Bilam means cave. Aho bilam. Oh, such a wonderful cave. Okay? Who is there in aho bilam? Lord Narasimha is there. A beautiful Narasimha. Okay, that's why it's a wonderful cave. Oh, Ashcharya. Okay, surprise. Wow, what a beautiful cave. That's the meaning. Okay. Alvar is praising them. Ingavel Kundram. Cave. Oh, Bilam. So, Bilam means cave. Bilam means hole. Okay. Bilam means hollow. Okay. Shashakaha Vrikad Bhitaha Davati. Shashakaha, again, a rabbit. A rabbit. Dhavati, runs. Vrikad Bhitaha. Okay? Scared of. Vrika. Vrika means wolf. Scared of wolf. Okay? Dhavati. Rabbit runs, scared of wolf. Or afraid of wolf. Afraid of a wolf. Let me read again. Bharatam Himalaya Prabhuti. So what are the words you have learnt now? You learned, let me type, okay, Prabhuti. We learned, let me put it here. Prabhuti onwards. Bahihi, okay, Bahihi, outside. Trasyati, okay, Trasyati, Trasyataha, Trasyanti, fear. Bahihi, oh, Bahi already I have it. Bhitaha, scared, bhi. Okay, Vibheti, from B only the word is coming, Vibheti. the word. Okay, this is a noun, present tense noun. Bhitaha is afraid, scared. This is a bhi plus a pratyay. Okay. Ninivi bhishe, that's the meaning. Okay. Bhi dhatu plus a pratyay. Okay. Ta is the suffix. Okay. There are a lot of things to learn in Sanskrit. Bhi plus ta. In this what happened, you know? Or ka will be dropped. So bhi ta. Ta pratyay is nothing but the past passive participle. Okay. Past passive. Therima kulandaikal kulandile. Those who are learning English, you know, they know. Past passive participle means what? Past tense, passive voice, and a participle. But it can be used in simple. When ka pratyay is used, you know, you know the transitive and intransitive verbs. These are all intransitive verbs. Okay, we can use it directly. Scared, afraid. Okay, so we can use it directly. Bhavitaha, bhavita. There's one word. So like this, there are so that time I will teach you. When you learn all these pratyas, that time I will teach you. Okay. Now, so bhita, bhita, bhi dhatu plus ta pratyaya becomes bhita. Okay. Bibheti, that is bhi dhatu, latlakaraha, bibheti. Okay, it starts with bibheti. Okay. Now, let me read again the meaning. Bharatam Vidyalayat Prabhuti Asti. Bharat is from the Himalayas. From Himalayas Prabhuti. Okay, Himalaya onwards are with. Bharat is Himalayas onwards. It looks awkward. So Bharat is from the Himalayas. Adya Prabhuti. Aham Sanskritam Patishyami. Today onwards, Prabhuti. Okay? Today onwards, I will learn Sanskritam. Aham Udyanad Bahihi na Kridami. Aham Udyanad Bahihi na Kridami. I don't play. Don't play means na Kridami. Okay? I don't play outside the garden. Vayamapi Grihad Bahihi na Gacchamaha. Vayamapi Grihad Bahihi na Gacchamaha. We also don't go outside the house or home. Manushyaha mrigebhyaha prasyanti. People are afraid of animals. Hiranaha vyagrat prasyati. The deer is afraid of tiger. Shashakaha bilad bahihi agachati. Rabbit comes outside the hole. Okay. Shashakaha vrikad bhitaha davati. Rabbit runs scared of wolf, afraid of wolf. Okay. Now, students can read. 5 students can read this. Clear?
Again. Bharatam Himalayat Prabhuti Asti. Bharat is from the Himalayas. Adya Prabhuti Aham Sanskritam Patishyami. Today onwards I will learn Sanskritam. Aham Udyanad Bahinaha Kridami. I don't.
Bahihi na Kridami.
Aham Udyanad Bahihi na Kridami. I don't play outside the garden. Vayamapi Grihat Bahihi na Kalchamaha. We also don't go outside the house or home. Manushyaha mrigebhyaha prasyanti. People are afraid of animals. Hiranaha vyagrat prasyati. The deer is afraid of tiger. Shashakaha bilat bahihi agachati. A rabbit comes outside the hole. Shashakaha vrikat bhitaha davati. Rabbit runs scared of wolf. Dhanyasmi again.
Dhanyasmi.
Bharat Himalayat Prabhuti Asti. Bharat is from the Himalayas. Adya Prabhuti Aham Sanskritam Patishyami. Today onwards I will learn Sanskritam. aham udyanat bahi na kridami. I don't play outside the garden. Vayami grihat bahi na gachamah. We also don't go outside the home or house. Manushyaha megabhyah trasyanti. People are afraid of animals. Hiranaha vyagrat trasyati. The deer is afraid of tiger. Shashakaha bilat bahi agachati. A rabbit comes outside the hole. Shashakaha brikat bitaha davati.
Bita.
Adiye neenga solrache bitahan vendrudhu again.
Okay. Bita.
Bitaha davati. Rabbits run scared of wolves.
Okay.
Namaskaram Adiyan. Bharatam Himalayat Prati Asti. Bharat is from the Himalayas. Adya Pravriti Aham Sanskritam Patishyami. Today onwards I will learn Sanskritam. Aham Udyanat Bahihi Kidami. I don't play outside the garden. Vayamapi grihat bahihi na gacchamaha. We also don't go outside the house or home. Manushyaha mragebhyah trasyanti. People are afraid of animals. Hiranaha vyagrasyati. The deer is afraid of tiger. Shashakaha bilat bahihi agachati. A rabbit comes outside the hole. Shashakaha vrakat bitaha davati. Rabbit runs scared of wolves. Danyosmi Adiyan.
வச்சுக்கலாமா? ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
ரொம்ப குறைவா கேக்குது. இன்னைக்கு மைக்கு கிட்ட வந்து பேசு.
அது இப்போ
தேவலா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட வரலாம் மைக்.
இப்போ Adiyan.
நல்லா கேக்குது.
ஓகே Adiyan. Adiyan நீங்க மேல நீங்க some words சொன்னீங்களே Adiyan. இல்ல ஸ்பெஷல் வேர்ட்ஸ் வரும்னு சொன்னீங்களே Adiyan. அல்ல வந்து நான் இன்னும் அதோட மீனிங் சேரல Adiyan. நான் அந்த ஸ்பெஷல் வேர்ட்ஸ் நீங்க வரும்னு சொன்னீங்களே Adiyan. அதோட மீனிங்ஸ் நான் எழுதல Adiyan.
எழுதிக்கோங்க. அது வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே காமிக்கிறேன். பிரபத்தி ஆன் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஓகே பீத வினா வித்தவுட் திருப்பி வச்சுட்டுனா எழுதி இப்போ எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகே
Adiyan. Thanks Adiyan. Dhanyasmi.
Thank you. நெக்ஸ்ட் யாரா டவுட் இருக்கா?
Adiyan. இந்த இது இந்த வருஷத்தினா என்ன Adiyan?
இந்த வருஷத்தினா ஷவர் ரெய்னிங் ஓகே வருஷத்தி வருஷானா ரெயின் வருஷத்தினா ரெய்னிங் verb ஓகே
Adiyan.
Adiyan. பஞ்சமி இருக்குல்ல Adiyan. பஞ்சமில பஞ்சனா வந்து 5 Adiyan. மீட் என்ன Adiyan?
பஞ்சமா அப்படின்னா 5th ஓகே Vibhakti அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து feminine gender. It's a very good observation. Vibhakti means it is a feminine gender. So Panchama can be used as Panchamaha. யாரு ஒரே சத்தமா இருக்கு? ரொம்ப சத்தமா இருக்கு. Panchamaha. Okay, Panchama means, see, Pancha means 5. Panchama, 5th. It can be used in Pullinga, Panchamaha. Panchami. Okay? Panchamam. It can be used like this. Okay? So, Pancha means 5. Let me write here. Okay? Pancha means 5. Just simply 5. Okay? Pancha means 5. Panchama means 5th. Panchamaha is 5th in masculine. Okay. This one is 5th in feminine. And this one 5th in neuter gender. Okay. That's all. So here Vibhakti, the word Vibhakti is Strilinga. So Panchami has come. We cannot use Panchamaha, Panchamam, or simply, otherwise you can say Panchama Vibhakti. We cannot split like this. Otherwise we have to write Panchama Vibhakti. That is what we should do. Panchama Vibhakti. Okay. Panchama, otherwise if we split, we have to make it Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. Good. Next. Good observation. Next. Purunjira? Understood?
Hello, Swami Vasu பேசுறேங்க.
அடியே.
Can you please யாராவது லிங்க் அனுப்பி விடுறீங்களா அந்த யூடியூப் லிங்க்? One of the recordings link அனுப்பிச்சேன்னா இந்த chatல I can access. சேர்ந்து யாராவது லிங்க் அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க.
எந்த லிங்க் வேணும் உங்களுக்கு?
யூடியூப்ல ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது இல்லையா இந்த செஷன் எல்லாம் யூடியூப்ல அப்லோட் ஆகுதா?
அப்லோட் ஆகுது. சுவாமி வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணுவாங்க.
அடியே அனுப்பலாம்.
சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சள்ல வருது, அது எல்லாமே வந்து மொத்தம் போடுறாரு சுவாமி. ரொம்ப மெட்டிகுலஸா உட்கார்ந்து ஒர்க் பண்றாரு. நிறைய ஒர்க் பண்றாரு.
எப்படி நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறதாங்க? எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறது?
அதாவா சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஓகே, யாரை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணி?
அடியே நீங்க அந்த மெயின் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்களா? டெலிகிராம் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
டெலிகிராம் குரூப்ல இல்லன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அது
டெலிகிராம் குரூப் லிங்க் போடுறோம். யூடியூப்ல போய் சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரின்னு சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க. லெவல் 0 லெவல் வீடியோஸ் வரும்.
ஓஹோ,
வீடியோஸ் வரும். we will anyway share those links now.
Okay.
And எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து it is very important you be part of telegram groups because all the communications are only there.
அதுக்கு லிங்க் எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? லிங்க்
இல்ல சுவாமி அடியே வாசு சுவாமி.
சொல்லுங்க.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து இவா வந்து ஒரு குரூப் வச்சிருக்காங்க. இந்த சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி வந்து ஒரு டெலிகிராம்ல ஒரு குரூப் இருக்கு.
ஓஹோ,
அந்த குரூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிருந்தா எல்லா டீடைலும் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிடும்.
அது ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கு லிங்க் வேணுமே மாமா?
அது சுவாமி கிட்ட கேளுங்க. அவருடைய நம்பர் இந்த மாதிரி எதாவது வாங்கிட்டு நீங்க வந்து இதை ரெக்வஸ்ட் அனுப்பிச்சேன்னா அது பண்ணுவோம்.
ஓகே, சரி.
அடியே இப்போ chatல அந்த லிங்க் போடுறேன், நீங்க அதுல இருந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Thank you.
ஸோ உங்களுக்கு அது எல்லாமே வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி இந்த லெசன் கூட மிஸ் பண்ணல, எதையுமே விடல. அதே மாதிரி சில ஒர்க் ஷீட்லாம் நடுவில் வரும், அதெல்லாமும் அதில் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுறது தான். இது மாத்திரம் இல்லை, நிறைய வருது. அதில் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஜாயின் பண்ணிங்க. அடுத்து
நீங்க 5 வேர்ட் எழுதினீங்க. பிரகிருதி, பீத, பிரயதி, வினா. அப்புறமா அதுல இன்னொரு வேர்ட் எழுதினீங்க.
வினான்னு ஒண்ணு எழுதிருந்தேன். விபேதி பீதஹனாலும் விபேதினாலும் ஒண்ணுதான். விபேதி இஸ் present tense, பீதஹ இஸ் past tense. அவ்வளவுதான். There's nothing. Okay.
அடியன்
Yeah.
அப்புறம் அப்படி அடியன் அப்புறம் பஹிஹி
Outside. Bahihi means outside.
அடியன்
Bahihi means outside. Yeah. So these words always follow Panchami Vibhakti. Okay.
அடியன் இன்னொரு டவுட் இருக்கு அடியன். அப்புறம் அந்த பஞ்சமி அப்புறம்
பஞ்சமம்
அடியன் பஞ்சமம் இது பஞ்சமா யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா ரெண்டு வேர்டு கம்பைன் பண்ணி எழுதணும் ஆடியன்.
இந்த மாதிரி பஞ்சம விபக்தி கம்பைன் பண்ணி எழுதணும், இல்லைன்னா பஞ்சமி விபக்தின்னு பிரிச்சு எழுதணும். ஓகேவா?
அடியன்
ஓகே
அடியன்.
தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் டவுட்.
அடியன் நமஸ்காரம் அடியன். ரஸ்யத்தினா என்ன அர்த்தம் அடியன்?
ஃபியர் அஃப்ரைட் ஸ்கேட். see
ஓகே அடியன்.
தெரியுதா? ஸ்கிரீன்லயே தெரியுதா? ஃபியர் ஸ்கேட் அஃப்ரைட்.
ஓகே அடியன்.
பீதனாலும் அதே மீனிங் தான், த்ரஸ்க்கும் அதே மீனிங் தான், த்ரஸ்திக்கும் அதே மீனிங், ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஒரே மீனிங்.
ஓகேமா.
பிபேதின்னு ஒண்ணு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா அந்த இடத்துல, அதுக்கும் அதே மீனிங், அதுக்கும் அதே மீனிங். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
தன்யாஸ்மி அடியன்.
தன்யோஸ்மி. அடுத்த வாரம் கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாமா?
அடியன் அவ்வளவுதான் சுவாமி. Q&A
ஓகே.
அடியன் சன்யாஸ்மி.
धन्यवाद. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वप्रणन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रिः. पुनर्मिलामः.